First exercise, Dumbbell Bench Press. For a killer dumbbell bench press, keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to protect your shoulders and maximize chest engagement. Squeeze your glutes and brace your core to maintain a stable base and boost pressing power. Control the weights on the way down for better muscle activation and safety. Second exercise, Dumbbell Incline Press. For an effective dumbbell incline bench press, set the bench at a 30 to 45-degree angle to target your upper chest and shoulders. Keep your wrists neutral and elbows slightly tucked to avoid strain, and lower the weights slowly to maximize muscle engagement. Engage your core and press your feet into the ground for a stable, powerful lift. Third exercise, Dumbbell Incline Fly. For a solid dumbbell incline fly, set the bench at a 30 to 45-degree angle to emphasize your upper chest. Keep a slight bend in your elbows, lower the weights in a wide arc until you feel a stretch, and squeeze your chest to bring them back up. Stay controlled, avoid overextending, and engage your core for stability. Fourth exercise, Dumbbell Pullover. For an effective dumbbell pullover, lie perpendicular on a bench with only your upper back supported, keeping your hips slightly below. Hold the dumbbell with both hands. Lower it slowly behind your head with a slight elbow bend, and engage your lats to pull it back up. Keep your core tight and avoid arching your back to maximize chest and lat activation. Fifth exercise, Dumb Squeeze Press. For a powerful dumbbell squeeze press, lie on a flat bench and press the dumbbells together tightly to engage your chest. Keep your elbows close to your body. Push the weight straight up and lower them slowly while maintaining constant tension. Stay stable by engaging your core and planting your feet firmly.